don't rap? Because nigga, I sit here and help y'all.
You never had. I can tell that you never had loving until you had mine. Baby, you're my type.
Before the video even gets started, look guys, we got a little something we want to share with our subscribers. We have this cool dope app that's all about selling and buying products. I mean, any kind of stuff that you want,
like electronics, games, clothes, shoes, anything that you guys want.
All that dope stuff that y'all buy on a daily basis, they have it on this app. This app is not just a different way to buy and sell, it's amazingly a simple way to buy and sell. You can literally post an item for sale in just a few seconds, shows you great deals nearby on a huge variety of items. Join the tens of millions already using the app, man. It's easy, it's simple. Just go buy and sell, or sell and buy, whatever you want to do. Link is in the description down below. Go run it up. But without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. What is up to the JT Squad? Hey, that's what I'm talking about, Tay. When you come in this thing, you gotta come prepared and pumped. That's what I'm talking about. Give me a high five, babe. But look, guys, today, I know y'all hear Trey in the background singing. It's finna go down, y'all. We finna head over to Wally World, aka Walmart, and it's thing. Hey, do a Walmart dance. Hey, hey. Look, y'all. We finna go to Walmart to get some bubble wrap. We finna bubble wrap Armand and Trey cars, bruh. It's finna go down. The prank war starting up. They came back home. Y'all done messed up, boy. Cause me and Tay, we finna get y'all. We finna saran wrap, bubble wrap they whole car. We not finna play with these boys. So right now, y'all, we finna leave. We finna head over to Wally World and grab this saran wrap and bubble wrap. We finna try to fill up the whole car with bubble wrap. We finna get so many bubble wraps that Tay gonna have a bubble wrap booty. You feel me? So y'all,
a bubble booty.
Bubble booty. But anyway, y'all hit that thumbs up down below. Let's get into it. Put them in that thing, babe. We finna get these bubble wraps, y'all. We not playing with them. Stack it up, girl.
We can get it at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
You need to close your little thingy majingy.
Oh.
How many we need?
I'm filling mine up. Hold on.
Do I have to fill mine up?
All right, I think that's good, babe. Then we gonna put some saran wrap on top of it so we Gucci. We not finished wrapping them. We finna continue to wrap them, but this is like the middle of the progress. I'm trying to wrap all of the car, but you know what I'm saying, it's kind of hot out here, and then this bubble wrap want to keep falling off sometime, and it's just a lot of hard work. So you know what I'm saying, this is just the middle of the progression, and you know what I'm saying, we back in this thing in a minute.
Bro, what is y'all doing? Bro, what is you doing? Jazz, what is wrong with you and your ugly face make?
What you talking about, bro? I'm over here.
Wait, stop. Why you doing?
What you pretending you
We gotta go around. We have a meeting. We supposed to be there. We're running late.
Bro, nobody told y'all to leave the house already.
Bro, you're childish though.
Nigga, how am I?
Why? What's going on in y'all brain? Like, why
we trying to protect y'all cars from the SRV vision, whatever it's called. The XY vision.
SRV vision? You stupid. SRV is a truck, stupid.
Look, bro, we trying to protect your car from the sun rays. That's why we wrapped it up. You know what I'm saying? Like, give it like a little mini condom.
And you just. And look at her. She just in it with her little Chiraji.
We're trying to help y'all.
Yeah, we're trying to help y'all cars.
Y'all ain't help your own damn car. Yo, why your car ain't like that? Why your car ain't hooked up?
Nigga, I was just gonna get to that. You're not letting me get to my car.
All right, well, that
nigga,
how long you been out here? Cause like this take a long time.
My nigga, I've been out here for about 2 hours protecting our cars from the X-ray vision of the sun.
Now, you talking X-ray vision? You sound dumb.
Bro, look, bro.
X-ray vision. You stupid.
Bro, you don't hear what you're not.
Get that junk out my face,
bro,
stupid.
What are you, bro? Don't disrespect what I'm trying to do for y'all niggas. I'm over trying to get my car. You see,
bro, y'all playing too much.
Move out the way.
No, watch out. What is you doing?
Just go for the cars together. They don't like that.
We gotta go to a meeting. Jay, stop playing with your own.
Bro, you need to stop playing. We gotta sit here and protect.
Yo, stop playing. Get out the way. I'm trying not to grab her.
Look, bro, this is not a regular summer, bro. It's gonna be like over 200 degrees in Houston, bro. We gotta wrap our cars up for the sun, bro.
Bro, what you think our car's finna melt?
Nigga, if your car catch on fire, bro, it's gonna overheat, my nigga, and it's gonna melt. And this nigga, he needs to this black.
Bro, y'all sound dumb. What's going on in your thick ass skull?
Look, bro.
Unwrap my damn car. We gotta go, bro. Niggas gotta go. Unwrap the
So I don't know how y'all finna go to y'all meetings or whatever. I'm not unwrapping. You got me messed up, bro.
Are you stupid?
I'm not Listen, I'm not unwrapping this, bro. I don't know if you think I'm finna unwrap it, but I'm not finna unwrap it. Because, nigga, I sit here and help y'all. I help y'all.
Man, you sound crazy, man.
I did you a favor and I did you a favor.
Unwrapping too. You better start.
You need unwrapping, bro. We should have did something.
It has to be on there for at least a day to work.
Exactly. So y'all need to see
what? Come on.
Bro, we got this off of Google, bro. We got this off of Google. They need to sit here and listen to us sometimes.
We're trying to help y'all.
We trying to help y'all niggas from the X-ray vision of the sun. And y'all want to sit here and be ungrateful. Y'all niggas need to be grateful, bro. I'm over trying to help y'all whips not melt and not sit here and get burnt by the sun this summer, bro. That's all I'm trying to do. Nigga, what you doing, bro?
Unwrap the car, my dog.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
My dog, unwrap the car, bro.
My nigga,
and I'm mad because you just made me fuck up my Gucci shoes, bro.
Bro, how did I mess up your Gucci shoes?
Because I had to walk over there and grab this log so I'll prevent from hitting you and your little ugly little girlfriend in her face. Stop, bro.
Nobody told you to wear the Gucci shoes to the meeting, bro. You should have worn something regular. You're trying to be cute and stuff. That's no problem,
please
bro.
unwrap the car, bro.
Bro, I'm not unwrapping nothing.
Bro.
Why are you sitting trying to stick me with this thing?
Move,
bro. You need to move, bro, and calm down, bro. You sit over here at 10, you need to bring it to the 2, my brother.
What I'm telling you is unwrap the car, bro.
Bro, where you
Do
going?
you want this to work or not?
Trey, where are you going, bro? Bro, what are you doing?
I'm not wrapping her up.
Trey, what are you doing, bro?
Stupid self up.
What are you, bro?
And don't move, I'm a whack.
Nigga, I'm gonna move. You
Stop playing. Stop playing,
bro.
Grab Trey, bro.
What are you doing, bro?
Yo, watch out,
bro.
Watch out. Move.
Y'all niggas not rapping us, bro.
You always just stand in the middle with something with your little stupid ugly
Look, bro,
foot.
you have to figure a way to get y'all cars on rap, bro. But we finna go.
Now she just hit me with the
Trey, bro. Why
Bro,
you trying to wrap me up, bro? Why are you trying to wrap me up, bro? What is your problem? Help me out here, man.
No.
Bro, why are you trying to wrap me up, bro? That's why I'm not trying to understand. But you gonna help me out? Get me out of there, man. Get me out of it, girl. You put the other me. You moving slow. Come on, girl.
Now wrap them both up.
Come on.
Wrap them both up. Here,
Hey.
wrap them
On
both
my
up.
feet.
No, they play too damn much. Here. Wrap them up.
Bro, what is y'all doing, bro?
Come on, bro. You still on that side?
Bro.
All right, bet.
What is y'all doing, bro? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Y'all play too always doing it. That's your problem. Shut up. No, okay, we trying to protect y'all. Y'all body for the heat ray and the X vision. Stupid stuff. No. Ain't no Stop playing so much.
We finna suffocate, nigga.
No, wrap their legs so they can fall when they try to walk. Ain't no come on. That's our problem. Stop playing with somebody. Ain't no chill out. Shut up. Stop playing so much. Ain't no X-ray.
You want to see
dog, she say X-ray vision being that's in my hand. You gonna say X-ray vision. Shut up saying X-ray vision, stupid. So they argue with each other. She like, stop moving, Trey. Right.
Stop talking.
Shut up. Check your shut up.
We gonna get wrapped up over here, man.
Y'all some Siamese.
Oh my God. It's too hot for like this, bro. Come on, unwrap
That's
us.
the problem.
It's too hot, bro. It's too body, bro. We trying to protect y'all body, bro. All right, bro. You got us, bro. Okay, nigga. Let us go, bro.
Now push them
Let us go, bro.
Get their legs, yeah.
Oh,
And let them get out their stuff. Come on, make them fall. That's exactly what y'all get. Stupid. Recharge. Y'all play too damn much. Now we sitting here late. Cause y'all wanna play.
I'm hot. I can't move.
Baby, you gotta slide out.
I can't move.
You gotta slide out, man.
That's what y'all did.
Get up for real.
Y'all want to play? Now I'll wrap my damn car. We gotta go. Come on.
Bro,
No,
I told you I'm not unwrapping bro. I'm not unwrapping nothing, bro. You just wrap me up, nigga, so definitely I'm not unwrapping nothing, bro.
How you gonna wrap my car but don't want to unwrap my car?
Cause you gotta leave it on there for a day
I don't want to. I want my car to burn. So can you please unwrap it? I gotta go.
It's already wrapped.
All this over a prank, nigga. It ain't even that serious. Y'all gonna sit and wrap us up. What if we die, nigga? We could've suffocated in this.
Right.
That's
a
y'all getting.
prank,
I don't
nigga.
give a unwrap my car. I'm tired of this. Y'all want to prank and play?
Call an Uber.
Bro, call an Uber. It's over with. You got pranked, boy. Your car looked like a bologna sandwich that I saved for lunch yesterday.
Bro, you better make me mad, bro. Can y'all please? It's hot.
Bro, I'm not unwrapping your car, bro. You got me messed up, and that's on me. Yeah.
Bro,
Look how much they wrap me and Tay up, y'all. They tried to kill us in this stuff, bro. This is
unwrap my car.
plastic. We can't breathe with plastic over us.
I'm finna do it again, bro, because y'all pissing me off, bro. Can
Bro.
you please unwrap my car? And you tried to sing it. You sounded mad.
Bro, look at him. He mad.
Bro, it's hot.
Bro, what you mean it's hot? I'm feeling good outside right now. The sun is out. Look at me.
At the studio, could you please?
Can I please, bro? Get on your phone, bro. Go to the Uber app and call you an Uber, my man. I'm not calling you an Uber.
I'm not either.
Still out here talking.
Bro, it was just a prank.
Oh.
But I'm not unwrapping your car, bro, so that's on you. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? I'm not unwrapping your whip, bro. That's your whip. Take care of it, my nigga.
And look at her. Now you done dragged her into something. So, all right, you don't want to do it, we're going to make her do it.
She ain't gonna do
Get out
it.
there. Do it.
Tell him, Tay. He got you big, ain't there?
All the way big.
Go out there and help her.
Bro, I'm not taking them wraps off the car, bro. It's over with, my man. That's y'all car, so you know, so y'all deal with it.
Bro,
All right, let me in the house.
Watch out.
Bro, what is you doing, bro? Call yourself an Uber, bro. UBER Uber, my mans.
What?
Call UBER Uber, my nigga. Look, bro, call yourself an Uber. Call yourself an Uber, bro. You got on Versace.
No, you probably. Bro, can you please? It's hot as hell. I don't feel like playing.
Nobody about to keep.
Okay, Tay, get the scissors for the crybabies. Golly, go get the scissors.
Nobody.
You go get them.
I
I can see the turn looking ugly.
Hot.
Move out the way so I get the scissors, bro. Dang.
Why would you want to sit here and buy?
Dang, bro, it ain't even that serious, bro. Look, all you gotta do is just cut it, bro. You feel me?
Bro, it's Jazz, bro. She always doing childish stuff.
It's not done.
Bro, why are you sitting here that angry, bro? You should be ashamed of yourself. Being that mad, bro. Bro, don't tear your car up, bro.
He rocking it.
All you gotta do is
Shut up. Dang.
You shut up. Shut up.
just cut it up, bro. Look.
Why the f is this not? Come on.
You ain't strong enough, bro. Look at that. None of them
You need to go catch the bubble wrap.
can't do. Look at that,
You
bro.
need to go catch the wrap that's bubble, stupid.
Look. There you go, bro.
What?
Is that easy? That simple.
All right.
Get out your feelings.
Do the rest, bro, and let me know when you're done. It's hot. My back's sweating. Damn.
Look, Armand.
Play too
Not
damn
easy,
much.
bro. Get out your feelings, bro. It's just bubble wrap. Your car not messed up. Nigga, stop acting like you too. Your car is not messed up. It's just bubble wrap.
How you gonna get mad at us because you doing stupid stuff?
Look at him. But I got you, though. That's why you sitting there angry, boy.
Angry.
Look at her. Why was you playing with a scissor, bro? Something wrong.
Oh, my God, y'all. Look at all of this bubble wrap. It's just everywhere. We still got bubble wrap we haven't even used. Look. I don't even know what we gonna do with all of this.
What you gonna do is clean it up.
Who? You gonna help me clean this up. You sit here and did this with me. Don't act like you don't have no participation. Shoot, it's too hot. Oh. You got it all off, man?
You got it all off. It's questions. I ain't just straight.
Wow, this is crazy. My young clouded up gang members in this thing. If you got your cloud glasses, put them on right now. Oh, you looking fly. But hey, if the gang enjoyed that video right there, hit that thumbs up down below. Smack it, hit it, yeah, hit it. Make sure you guys showing love. If you're not part of the notification squad, hit that bell and become part of the notification squad. It's one of the latest squads, and plus you'll get a notification every single time me and Taylor sexy caramel self-post. Go tweet the girl right now, because I do tweet back. Tweet my baby Tay, because she tweet back. We always showing love to the gang on Twitter. Follow all of our social media. It's on the screen and in the description down below, so show love by any means and run it up. Until tomorrow, gang. Until tomorrow, we gonna be back in this thing. Don't worry about it, cause we gonna be back. Ain't that right, babe?
Yep.
We gonna be back. Give him a kiss. Give me a hug. Y'all needed that love, man. Tell them we out this thing.
Bye, guys.
Little mama, she my flavor. She can drink it straight with no chaser. We can FaceTime a little later.